Quarry Lakes Regional Recreation Area is a beautiful water-oriented park which offers recreation activities as well as cultural and natural history programs by the naturalists of Coyote Hills Regional Park. One of the programs offered during the summer is called Tule boat construction. Tule is gathered 1 week before the program by the participants. The material is dried and then rehydrated. The participants work as a team to build a native California-style Tule boat in 1 day. Everyone has the opportunity to paddle around the lake in the newly built Tule boat.
I'm sure sitting on the side, I'm sure if you left it in the water.
Probably like that was a 7 mile. I was already in the edges when we were already freaking out.
Sure. No, it's breaking.
Yeah.
Take it in, get an oil change. Should be fine. And on the other hand, when you consider the cost factor,
Algunas fotos también. I think that one.
and I understand.
The main material used is a bulrush called Tule. Tule grows in wetlands or areas of seasonal flooding. The interior of each long Tule stem is filled with spongy tissue packed with air cells. It is the pithy interior of the Tule stem that makes it such a unique and useful form of water transportation. Tule boats, or Tule balsas, were used by California natives to travel across inlets, deep marshes, lakes, and bays